welcome again to a Lettis quick recipe. So today we are making a loaded sandwich together. If you're new here, please do subscribe for more recipes, more delicious, simple to make meals. So we start by applying some butter on the bread before we toast the bread. And in this case, I'm using a pan to toast the bread. So you keep on changing sides, ensuring it turns golden brown for all the slices of bread that I'm gonna use. Yeah, so you do this for all the slices you're gonna do. Ensure that it doesn't burn. And also sometimes you might use a lot of butter, which I feel is not that healthier. So I just apply a little. And then afterwards, this is time to load it. I will use some lettuce, as you can see. And then some fresh tomatoes. And then afterwards, I will use sliced cheese. Add on the two, and then ham. So you can use whatever you have, whatever you want to have. And now to have it crispy, I will heat it in the microwave for like a minute or even less. Yeah, and you do that for all the slices that you have, as many as you want, because this time around I have a number of people that we're gonna share this. Yeah, so I keep doing that, and here I'm gonna heat it, and then we are having it. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more. Bye.